In a world dominated by familiar names, a new voice from Greece is rewriting the rules of luxury timekeeping. Meet Monovant, a bold newcomer blending physical craftsmanship with digital innovation, or as they call it, phygital timepieces. From Athens to Paris, Monovant designs watches that exist both in the real world and in virtual spaces like Decentraland, VRChat, and Zapito. But today, we're looking at something real, something you can feel on your wrist, the Monovant Rheon Royal Lapis. This watch captures the deep cosmic beauty of lapis lazuli, a semi-precious stone prized for centuries. At 12 o'clock, a subtle VVS diamond catches the light. Small, just zero point 0.1 carats, but perfectly clear. Every dial is unique, each with its own natural pattern. Encased in 40 millimeters of polished stainless steel, the Rheon has soft flowing lines and a thin 9.7 millimeter profile, making it elegant yet everyday wearable. It's water-resistant to 50 meters, protected by sapphire crystal, and even has an anti-fingerprint coating. A thoughtful touch for the polished finish. You'll get a steel bracelet, plus optional purple rubber and black leather straps, and even a matching lapis bracelet in the box. Inside beats the Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement, upgraded with a 42-hour power reserve and enhanced shock resistance. Dependable Swiss mechanics beneath that dazzling stone dial. Limited to just 99 pieces, the Rheon Royal Lapis is available to pre-order now for €970, rising to €1,250 retail later this fall. Bold, beautiful, and refreshingly original. The Monovant Rheon Royal Lapis isn't just a watch. It's a statement that luxury has entered a new dimension.